Renault's 40,000 kilometre, approximately 25,000 mile oil change interval has raised concerns among automotive experts and car owners for several reasons. While a longer oil change interval might appear convenient and economical, it could negatively affect engine health and longevity. This was brought to my attention by my cousin, who had recently bought a brand new Renault Master, and he said the service intervals, or the first oil change and first service, is 40,000 kilometres or 2 years, whichever comes soonest. And he said to me, "Hang on a minute, that can't be right." So he's done 17,000 kilometres and we've just done an oil change. Oil plays a crucial role in lubricating engine components, reducing friction and preventing wear. Over time, oil degrades and loses its lubricating properties, becoming less effective at protecting engine parts. With a 40,000 kilometre interval, the oil may not provide adequate lubrication, leading to increased wear and potential damage to engine components like pistons, bearings and camshafts. This wear can shorten the engine's lifespan and lead to costly repairs. As oil circulates through the engine, it picks up contaminants such as dirt, metal particles and combustion byproducts. These contaminants accumulate in the oil over time, increasing the risk of abrasive wear inside the engine. With a prolonged interval of 40,000 kilometres, there is a higher chance that contaminants will reach levels that could damage engine parts, clog oil passages, and negatively affect the oil filter's efficiency. Some manufacturers, namely in this case Renault, now suggest you can wait up to 40,000 kilometres between oil changes. That's 25,000 miles. But is it really in your engine's best interest? Many experts argue that these extended intervals are designed more for marketing than for maintaining your vehicle. The reality is, by 40,000 kilometres, your oil is often so contaminated and broken down that it can no longer effectively protect your engine. So why would manufacturers recommend such long intervals? The answer might surprise you, it might not. Longer oil change intervals can lower the perceived cost of car ownership, making cars seem cheaper to maintain and more appealing to buyers. But there's a catch. Engines that fail shortly after the warranty expires often push customers to buy new cars sooner than they planned. This benefits manufacturers more than it does you. In the long run, neglecting oil changes doesn't save you money, it costs you more, much more. By sticking to a more conservative oil change schedule, such as every 5 to 10,000 kilometres, maybe push it to 12, you ensure your engine stays well lubricated and clean. This improves performance, extends engine life, and can even enhance fuel efficiency. Think of it as cheap insurance for one of your most valuable assets, your car. Don't let convenience or a misleading recommendation cost you a fortune down the road. Schedule your oil changes regularly and protect your investment. Drive smart, drive safe. Catch you in the next video, people.